Welcome to our channel, where we explore the profound concept of unity consciousness. Unity consciousness is a transformative state of awareness where individuals recognize the interconnectedness of all beings and the universe. It's a state beyond separation, embracing love, compassion, and oneness. Dolores Cannon, a visionary pioneer, illuminated the path to unity consciousness through her profound insights. Dolores Cannon, renowned for her groundbreaking exploration of metaphysics and spirituality, delved into the profound concept of unity consciousness within her body of work. Through her extensive research and regressive hypnotherapy sessions, Cannon unearthed insights that illuminated the interconnected nature of all existence. At the core of Cannon's teachings on unity consciousness lies the understanding that every individual is an integral part of a collective whole. She posits that separation is an illusion and that at the fundamental level, all beings are interconnected energetically. This interconnectedness extends beyond human relations to encompass all life forms and the entire universe, promoting a sense of oneness among all beings. Cannon's insights emphasize that unity consciousness transcends individual ego and fosters a deep sense of empathy, compassion, and love for one another. She advocates for a shift in consciousness from a mindset of division and competition to one of unity and cooperation. This shift, according to Cannon, is vital for the collective evolution of humanity towards a more harmonious existence. Furthermore, Dolores Cannon's exploration of unity consciousness extends beyond the physical realm. She discusses how this interconnectedness spans across dimensions and lifetimes, suggesting that individuals are part of a continuous soul journey and that experiences in one lifetime affect the collective consciousness. One of the fundamental principles highlighted in Cannon's work is the concept of raising collective vibrations through the practice of unity consciousness. She proposes that by embracing love, compassion, and understanding, individuals contribute to a global elevation of consciousness. This elevation holds the potential to create a ripple effect, positively influencing the collective consciousness of humanity. Moreover, Cannon's teachings emphasize the importance of self-awareness and inner transformation in fostering unity consciousness. She encourages individuals to look within, heal past traumas, release limiting beliefs, and cultivate a sense of unity within themselves. Through this internal alignment, individuals can radiate a harmonious energy that contributes to the greater collective. Dolores Cannon often spoke about the role of unity consciousness in shaping the future of humanity. She envisioned a world where unity consciousness becomes the guiding principle for decision-making, societal structures, and global cooperation. This shift, she believed, would lead to greater harmony, peace, and a deeper respect for the interconnectedness of all life. Cannon's teachings on unity consciousness also include practical tools for individuals to cultivate this state of awareness. She advocated for meditation, mindfulness practices, and acts of kindness as ways to expand consciousness and foster a sense of unity with others and the universe. In essence, Dolores Cannon's insights into unity consciousness offer a profound perspective on the interconnected nature of existence. Her teachings encourage individuals to move beyond divisions, embrace unity, and recognize the inherent oneness that binds all beings. Through the practice of unity consciousness, Cannon invites individuals to play an active role in the collective evolution towards a more harmonious and interconnected world. Certainly, delving deeper into Dolores Cannon's teachings on unity consciousness, we uncover additional layers that emphasize the transformative power and implications of this profound concept. Cannon's exploration of unity consciousness goes beyond the mere intellectual understanding of interconnectedness. She sheds light on its practical implications in everyday life. She emphasizes that the realization of unity leads to a fundamental shift in perspective, altering how individuals perceive themselves, others, and the world around them. This shift engenders a deep sense of empathy, fostering an environment of acceptance and cooperation rather than division and conflict. Furthermore, Dolores Cannon often spoke about the role of unity consciousness in healing societal rifts and global conflicts. She envisioned a world where understanding our interconnectedness would bridge cultural, religious, and ideological divides, fostering a world built on mutual respect and collaboration. According to her teachings, unity consciousness holds the key to resolving many of the world's most pressing challenges by fostering a collective responsibility for the well-being of all life. Moreover, Cannon's teachings on unity consciousness extend into the realms of spiritual evolution and personal growth. She suggests that embracing unity is a crucial aspect of an individual's spiritual journey. By recognizing the interconnectedness of all beings, individuals can transcend the ego and align with higher spiritual truths, experiencing a profound transformation in their consciousness. Another crucial aspect of Cannon's insights into unity consciousness involves the notion of co-creation and collective manifestation. She suggests that when individuals unite in consciousness, their collective intentions and energies become amplified. In this state of unified consciousness, the power to manifest positive change, both individually and collectively, is significantly heightened. Additionally, Dolores Cannon often discussed how unity consciousness serves as a catalyst for global awakening and the evolution of humanity towards a higher state of consciousness. She believed that as more individuals awaken to this awareness, a tipping point would be reached, leading to a profound transformation in the collective consciousness of humanity. In summary, Dolores Cannon's teachings on unity consciousness transcend theoretical concepts, offering a practical and transformative roadmap for individuals and society at large. Her insights invite individuals to embrace unity as a guiding principle in their lives, fostering compassion, cooperation, and a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all life. Through the practice of unity consciousness, Cannon's legacy encourages a collective shift towards a more harmonious, compassionate, and enlightened world. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting an ethereal glow across the horizon, our exploration into unity consciousness reached an enigmatic crossroads. Dolores Cannon's profound insights echoed through the ethereal realm, tantalizingly close to the ultimate revelation. In a moment suspended in cosmic time, the crescendo of our journey loomed on the horizon, a revelation so profound it promised to unlock the mysteries of existence itself. The air crackled with cosmic energy, the anticipation hung thick like a cosmic mist, teasingly brushing against the threshold of understanding. Just as the audience anticipated the denouement of this spiritual odyssey, the narrative took an unexpected turn, a twist that transcended the boundaries of comprehension. The journey concluded not with definitive closure, but with an exhilarating cliffhanger, an enigmatic puzzle that lingered tantalizingly unresolved. Dolores Cannon's legacy echoed in the cosmic whispers, leaving the audience suspended on the precipice of cosmic enlightenment. The conclusion was an enigma shrouded in cosmic mysteries, a thrilling cliffhanger that left the audience yearning for more, craving the cosmic truths hidden just beyond the veil of comprehension. In this suspenseful ending, Dolores Cannon's teachings on unity consciousness didn't merely conclude, they transcended, leaving a legacy that lingered in the hearts and minds of those seeking spiritual enlightenment. The suspenseful finale resonated with the eternal quest for truth, leaving the audience poised on the edge of cosmic awakening, eager to embark on their own journey towards higher consciousness and the revelation of the ultimate cosmic truths.